Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 149,952 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering on the screens, buttons, or things like that, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And this interior is insane clean. You would think this car had 40,000 miles on it based on how clean this interior is. Absolutely gorgeous. Alignment's perfect, steering's nice and straight, doesn't have any shake or shimmy to it. The seats have very little wear on them. Car handles really nice. Just fresh and clean in here, non-smoker, just really well taken care of. I'm gonna hit on the brakes really hard here in 3, 2, 1. Brakes are solid, no issues there whatsoever. Car sounds really good. Zero complaints with drivability. Everything is solid. No noises, nothing, and it shifts really, really nice. I'll get on it a little bit here. Just a little bit. Has a really good sound to it. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on the front right wheel, overall in great condition. Looking at the tires, date code 2023. They are Sumitomos, 255, 35, 19s. Beautiful, beautiful blue paint. Absolutely gorgeous. Of course, you're gonna have your typical impacts right here from just rocks and things like that. For 150,000 miles, you're gonna get little imperfections like that. That looks good. If you look right here, you do have a gash, and it goes all the way across right there. So if you see that, it stops right here, goes all the way down. Looking on the side mirror, typical impacts, same there. A couple little squigglies here, little touch-up spots. As far as damage goes larger than that, I'm not really seeing anything. You can see right here where the fuel door kind of rubbed. Looking at that wheel, a little bit of rash, a couple imperfections, but otherwise in great condition. Got the Sumitomos. You already have the window tint. Looking at the front end, typical rock impacts. And touch-up spots, things like that. For the 150,000 miles, like I said, you are bound to get a lot of impacts on that front. Scratch right there. A couple little markings on the fender. The rest of that fender looks good. Overall, that wheel looks nice. A couple little impacts here. We're gonna have a few on that as well. Touch-up spots. touch up. Paint looks gorgeous back here. A little touch-up spot there. A couple really light scuffs on that edge. Taillights look good, and here on the back bumper you can see some little chips and touch-up. You have a couple gashes right there. Otherwise though, looks really good. A little spot there. Looking at the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Alcantara inserts, beautiful stitching. You would never know this car had 150,000 miles based on the interior. So it really looks like this was a highway car. They put a lot of miles, long distance stuff, just because the wear on the seat is next to nothing. Here on that door panel, absolutely perfect. Alcantara inserts look amazing. I mean, look how clean the grab handle is. Buttons look awesome. Carbon looks good. Even that trim, I don't see any scuffs on there, which is crazy. Carpets look good. That bolster looks amazing. It does not look like a seat that had 150,000 miles put on it. So they were definitely taking care of this interior. I see a tiny little spot right there. Even on the steering wheel, look at this. It still has a beautiful matte finish to it. It's not shiny. It's like, doesn't have a high gloss to it. It's not chewed up. That is incredible. Very nice. The screen looks good. Seats are heated. Even this looks amazing. Beautiful finish to it. That's perfect. Here on the front right door panel, looks incredible. That trim looks nice. You got the logo here on the ground. Carpets are clean. Looking at that bolster, looks absolutely perfect. The seat itself just looks amazing. Like I said, I think this was a single driver that did a bunch of highway driving, because that looks brand new. Dash looks incredible. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Here on the back right panel, looks good. Carpet's nice and clean. Really not much to pick apart with the seats. Alcantara is incredibly clean. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Looks like no one really ever sat back here. Here on the back left door panel, that looks perfect. Once again, these seats are incredibly clean. Those look really good. And massive cargo area. Very nice. You got the little cover here, and it is power. So it's very nice. Looking at the engine bay, all the plastics have been fully protected. Looks really, really good. Underhood liner looks amazing.